All right, we got a look there at the I-29 corridor at the 32nd Avenue exit. And I got to tell you, it looks pretty pleasant out there, but those winds, once again, from time to time have picked up some of that light fluffy snow that's in the area. And, well, it's kind of lofting it up in the air. So we got a little blowing, a little drifting, thanks to our friends over at Luther Family Ford for providing us with this view. Now we'll look at your current conditions. At Hector, it's 21 degrees. It feels like it's 4. At least it feels like it's above 0, right? It's been a little brisk today, even with the warmer temperatures in the 20s. We have climbed a lot with starting temperatures late last night in the 15 below range. We're gusting, though, to 37 miles per hour. Here's a look at peak gusts today that topped 40 miles per hour in the Northern Valley, 39 mile per hour peak gust in the FM area. It's been windy even in the trees of Minnesota, northwest Minnesota. A lot of areas getting 40 mile per hour gusts. And here's a look at those current conditions with the winds still gusting to 37 miles per hour at Hector. We have the strongest winds where you see the arrows here down to the south. Temperatures still in the teens up in Grand Forks at 17, 16 Wadena. Baudette warming to 22. The warmest air from Devil's Lake into southeast North Dakota, where we're near 30 degrees there. Beautiful temperatures in the afternoon, but it's coming with that sharp wind, and that's making those wind chills pretty brisk. In fact, sub-zero in Hallock this hour is what it feels like. So as we head into the evening of your Valentine's Day, we not only have the wind to contend with, temperatures are warming, but it feels cold, wind chilly, and now we'll top on that a little bit of snow pushing into the eastern third of North Dakota. If you are in Foster, Eddy County, New Rockford, Carrington, seeing a band of snow with the darker blues, those are likely even reaching the ground. And with all of the wind, it's going to briefly reduce visibilities. This is diagonally up into the Devil's Lake Basin. Your hour-by-hour forecast does show that that snow band pushes in towards Fargo, through Grand Forks, and in towards Thief River Falls and War Road as we head into the 10 o'clock hour tonight. So there's going to be a chance for a shot of snow, very little accumulation, under a ½ inch for most locations. The wind will remain fairly strong, but strongest down to the south. Once this weather wiggle works its way through, that wind is going to do a switcheroo, and instead of southerly wind, notice these arrows coming out of the west, lighter. Now, temperatures tonight near 20. We stay there through the overnight hours. Steady temperatures with cloudy skies and a west wind. That's how we start the day. We'll be near 20 in many locations. We'll see decreasing clouds, so not bad for Saturday, but the early half of the day looking a lot better than the last half of the day, because take a look by Hutch's right shoulder up here. These northwest winds now, the green arrows indicate gusts over 30 miles per hour, so it's going to be windy, and we're going to tug some of that Arctic air right back into the picnic area here as we go into your Sunday. So Saturday's temperatures will be warmest early part of the day. Down south we'll have 25 to 30 degrees, but up north it'll be a little cooler, and by late tomorrow night the sub-zero air will start marching back in, will impact our northern communities as we go into your day on Sunday night. Here's a look at your forecast for Fargo tomorrow. We start out near 20. We'll have more sun in the afternoon. Wind will be westerly at 15 to 20 miles per hour as opposed to 40 today. And we stay near 20 until late in the day. Can't rule out a flake of snow in the overnight tonight. It looks like temperatures in the afternoon will be in the cool range up north, but still holding on to 20s here in the Southern Valley. Beautiful sunset there. Doris, thanks for sharing your Oxbow shot of the frozen tundra. Look, it looks like an ocean of snow out there. All right, Monday, we're watching a chance of that cold air on Sunday to be followed up by another shot of measurable snow in the forecast. Again, that's by Monday morning. Then it stays cold into next week with that Arctic air settling in. But finally, warmer air toward the end of next week has us all saying, because look at this number I have here on the 7-day forecast. We're talking near 30 by Friday and maybe even 40 for some on Saturday.
Wouldn't that be nice?
Yes.
Thanks, Hutch.